Hey guys, what's up? It's Technology World, Tech World, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to tell you why, the 5 reasons why you shouldn't buy a phone from a repair shop or a pawn shop. Yeah, they may look like a great deal, but no. Don't even try. IMEI blocked. Why? 2 reasons. I would show you, but I had an iPhone SE and Verizon reported it lost or stolen. I bought it from a repair shop. I didn't steal it. And here's the thing. If the previous owner hasn't finished paying on it, then it's automatically reported lost or stolen by whatever carrier it is that the phone came from. And if it's unlocked, then it won't do it. But yeah, I was using it for a little bit and it ruined my SIM card, but I had to call Cricket and get it fixed. But anyways, this iPhone, I would show you it, and I don't have a photo of it, but I already returned it to the store, and Sunday I'm going to get an iPhone 11. And the good thing about this is, since I had the SE for a little, the prices on the 11 dropped, so I'm going to get the 11. I would get the 12. I can get the 12 in what budget I have, but it's like, there's really not many changes for me to upgrade. There's really no point in getting the 12 because it's, how do I put this? Exactly the same thing as the 11. The only difference is the camera durability and 5G. That's it. That's it. It's really not that different. So, yeah. No. Anyways, if you buy it from a repair shop, there's like 1 out of 4 chance it won't be IMEI blocked or reported lost or stolen. And with a repair shop, somebody may have finished paying off the phone and they reported it lost or stolen because someone stole it from them and sold it. In this case, when this happens, you can still use it, yeah, but only on Wi-Fi. No way you're gonna be able to use it with cellular network, because it'll say, nuh-uh, not until it's unblocked. And I could have kept that SC, but I would have to wait, and I'm not, no. Because I called them, and this is what the caller was like, "Hi, my name's Josh. This is Verizon. How may I help you?" Yes. My name's Weston. I bought an iPhone SE 2020 from a repair shop, and Verizon reported it lost or stolen, and I'm not even using Verizon's network. I'm using Cricket. And, can I figure out why it was, oh, yes. Let me look into you. And then I was sat on hold for 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes later. Yeah. The phone was reported lost or stolen because the last owner never finished paying on it. He owes $200, can't provide any more information about that. If you'd like, you could take it to a Verizon store, and we can definitely pay you what the phone's worth. And you can go get a new phone. We're sorry for the inconvenience. Try again. And I'm stuck with this piece of shit because the iPhone was reported lost or stolen. It lags and whatever. But anyways, about that, yeah, nothing really else about this. And yes, I recently got a Mr. Beast jacket. I'll try and show you the back. But yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys liked the video. a sub would be massively appreciated to the channel. And with that, I think I'm done. Bye.